Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, ready, kanta na? Oh, look at that. Yay!
Blow ka na to. Hi, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tordy. Tordy, happy birthday. Slice the cake, Tordy. Slice the cake. Tordy, okay. Happy birthday, Tordy.
Isa lang.
Okay, one more. Sige, isa. One more. Okay, go. Go! Out! Bunot!
Pwede ka na tama ka ba? Tatlo mo lang ka ba? Ikaw ka, ikaw ka. Wow.
Okay, go! Wala!
Mana ba tsakin nyo ah? Gagamay papel.
Ibalik ang papel! Ibalik ang papel para matugang!
No, balik papel ko no. Balik.
Sige na! Wala! Sige na, tawag. Sige na. Drink. Okay, go. Go. Bayaw alima ha. Pagkatapos ha. Bayaw alima ha. Sige na. Nako, boss. Ubos ah. Bayaw lima ko, boss ah.
Bilik. Kamay lang yun. Ay, di mo bakit sa huli.
Okay, mauna na yung gagmay. Pamate. Ang mga kuha nila may 100, may 50 ata, at saka 20. So kung mag-pick up ka mo nga may 20, kadto ka mo kanakon ha? Sige na, ready? 1, 2. Si Tardy din na. Sige na. Ipakita ang mga opinion nila. Okay, good. Ha? 20? Toyota.
Is this a toy rock?
No, that is a rock, like a mountain. Okay? You put together like this here, and the dinosaur will hide.
And is this wood?
Yeah, that's a lag. Oh, that's a mountain.
That's mountain. That is earth. The circle thinks the dinosaurs is in the house first. Okay. The all of my family dinosaur. The circle of the dinosaur. Here are the dinosaur. The dinosaur is on a stair. And teacher is.
Ready? Shakes.
What dinosaur is here? My favorite dinosaur here.
Open. Third. Toys, ah. Open toys. Help, baby brother. That's for baby brother. That's for baby brother. Open? Do you cannot open?
And you open for Sharia. You'll borrow this from me. Oh, you're not the love.
Open. Whoa.
Okay, Mama. Kasi ano ka ba? Buksan na lang.
Get it away. That's for baby brother gift.
No battery. There's battery, Mama. Ay, Mama, there's batteries.
No, battery.
You put this here up here.
32nd birthday celebration. And of course, if sa Pinas ang party, mas masaya kasi more kids and more games. Madaming nag-join. So, everyone participate. Whatever the prize is. So, okay lang. At least makapag-game sila. Kaso, ang celebrant, not in the mood kasi syempre, nap time niya. So, pag nap time niya, bahala kayo dyan. Kaso lang, the show must go on. Dapat, nasa pictorial muna siya. So, aliw-aliwin muna para at least may picture bago siya matulog. Pero nung game time na, excited din siya manood. Nawala na yung antok niya kasi ang ingay na at ang mga bata excited na maglaro.
At 2 years old, independent na si Third kumain mag-isa. At saka hindi na kailangang subuan pa. Sa Pilas, maganda mag-celebrate doon kasi syempre ang daming mga bata sa mga neighbors. So, enjoy na enjoy.